Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. We're taking a look at Mashreq Neo, a digital banking platform offered by Mashreq Bank in the UAE. Accessible through their website, https://www.mashreq.com/en/UAE/neo/right. Neo provides a comprehensive suite of financial services entirely online. This innovative platform offers a range of appealing features, including the ability to open a bank account digitally from anywhere in the world. No more trips to a physical branch. The entire process is streamlined and can be completed conveniently from your computer or mobile device. This convenience extends to managing your finances, with all the standard banking functions available at your fingertips 24/7. Mashreq Neo boasts a robust mobile app, available for both Android and iOS devices, empowering users to conduct their banking on the go. From checking balances and transferring funds, to paying bills and managing investments, the app puts you in control of your finances. Furthermore, Neo offers a variety of account options to suit different financial needs and goals, allowing users to select the account that best aligns with their individual circumstances. Security is a top priority for Mashreq Neo, implementing advanced security measures to protect user data and funds. They employ state-of-the-art encryption technology and multi-factor authentication to ensure the safety and security of all transactions. With Neo, you can have peace of mind knowing your finances are protected. Beyond everyday banking, Mashreq Neo offers additional perks and benefits, including exclusive deals and discounts with select retailers and service providers. These added advantages make Neo more than just a banking platform, it's a comprehensive financial solution. For those seeking a modern, convenient, and secure banking experience, Mashreq Neo presents a compelling option. Visit their website at https://www.mashreq.com/en/UAE/neo/ to learn more and discover how Neo can simplify your financial life. They offer a variety of financial products and services to help you achieve your financial goals. From personal finance management tools to investment opportunities, Neo provides the resources you need to succeed. Explore the platform today and experience the future of banking.